Hey everyone, it's Raven. Welcome back to the nest. What I'll be doing for you all today is stuffing my cash envelopes for the upcoming week. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Okay, so first we are going to get into zeroing out these different envelopes. So first off, how are you all doing? How's your budgeting going? How are things going for you? Definitely let me know down below in the comments how you are doing. So let's go ahead and get into food. First of all, I need a pen. Alright, so food, what I have left over is $3. So I'm going to set this just over to the side here. And I still have this of my first sheet, the one that's completely filled up. And like I mentioned before in my last video, I just don't know if I need to get rid of these or not, but we're going to hold on to them for now. I had my deposits on the 10th of my $80. I did eat out twice this past week. I had Sonic and Chick-fil-A, and then I did do a Sprouts run, spent $61, and that is how I ended up with my $3. So let's go ahead and reconcile. Today is 9/17. We're going to say reconcile minus $3, which is going to zero us out. Gas, I'm not even going to take this out. I'll just kind of show you all here. I did my deposit on the 10th of my 45, and then I got gas the same day for 45, so that zeroed us out for the week. So we're ready for that one. Personal, I did do some spending in personal. I got some stuff to do my nails. So let me flip it back here. I have my deposit on the 3rd. And then we're going to flip, and on the 15th, I actually went in and got some nail stuff, spent about 20 bucks, and I had $5 left over, which is what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to set that over there. So let's go ahead and reconcile this out. 9/17, reconcile, minus $5, so that's zeroing us out. Moving on to housing, I did do a little bit in housing as well. I have $15 left, so we're going to set that over to the side. I deposited my regular $25 on the 3rd. And on the 12th, I actually restocked on hand sanitizer. So I spent about $20 and some change. I'm currently running low on my change, because I think I mentioned when I first started doing cash envelopes again, physical cash envelopes, I had like an abundance of change in my car. So it was like all sitting under in that little kind of cubby hole situation under the radio. So I had like a lot of change under there. So I've kind of been using that to pay exact change and all that when I'm making purchases and stuff. But that change is going away. So, but anyway, I got some hand sanitizer, which brought us down to our $15. So let's go ahead and zero us out. So we're going to say reconcile minus $15. Let's pick up our cash, because I realized that I did not set up my little cash holder here, but it's all right. So let me just count, because what I didn't do when I picked up this cash, which was very out of character for me, I did not count it before I left the bank. So let's hope it's all here. So we should have 190 total. So let's go ahead and count it up. 20, 40. 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 190. Okay. So I ain't got to go cut up and act a fool at the bank and go to jail. So let's separate out our monies here. So we have our 20s, and then we have our lovely 10s there. Then I have my 5s, and then I have all these 1s. Food, we are going to deposit in our $80, so that's actually going to be 2 20s, 2 10s, and then I believe 4 5s. And then let's count it to make sure we are good to go. Okay, 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. There we go. $80. Stuffing it, so we are good to go for the week. $80. Boom. Okay, so for gas, we are stuffing 45 a week. So that is 2 20s and then a 5. So there's our 45. Stuff that in. Personal. As most of you may know, I only stuff personal and household once every 2 weeks. I've just kind of gotten my budget down that way. So only 25 for personal and household. So we're going to do 2 10s, and then I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just going to make sure 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So that's going to be 25 for personal. Ready to go. And then housing, we're also doing 25 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yep, 25. Stuffing that in. Housing, ready to go. So let's go ahead and open up this sinking fund for Halloween. What I currently have, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And what I add in is $15 a week. So let me just make sure that these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. So that is going to bring us up to $45. 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45. All right, so that's $45 saved for Halloween party expenditures. And we will continue to do our $15 a week up until probably the week before Halloween. So there are my cash envelopes stuffed and ready for the week. And I do want to count to see how much I actually had left over from this past week. So we had 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I had $23 left over. And I'm just kind of stockpiling this up to at some point make like a bulk payment to my last credit card. So I'm just kind of setting this aside with the rest of the overflow from each week since I've been doing these. And then, like I said, at some point I will just make like a bulk payment to my last credit card. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss any more of my videos. Thanks guys. Peace.